Yes, you can download high-quality, watermark-free videos from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all for free. When I'm coaching new content creators, for some reason, this is a hurdle that they struggle to get over, and it's so simple to do. So let's dive in. The video that you want to download without the watermark. So let's just go ahead and pick this one right here. So when we click on it, we're going to click on the three little dots right there. And if you see, it says copy link. Click on that. This automatically saves the link to that video. And now we're going to open snaptick.app and paste that link right here. Click that green download button. Now we have to wait for it to download. Depending on the size of the video, this could take a while. Next, go down and find that Download HD button. That's going to give us the best quality video. An ad is going to pop up. That's okay. Watch it for the few seconds, and then this is what you're looking for. Right here, that prompt. Click on that. Once you do that, you can see it start to download right here onto your phone. Click on that. Click on the downloads, which opens your downloads folder. There is my video. Okay, so now click that button and save that video to your Photos app. We open the Photos app and there she is right there. Hey, she's good looking. Let's head to that you want. Let's do this one of my puppy. Click that little triangle, grab the link for the video, and this time we're going to a website called snapinst.app. Free to use. Put your link right there and click the green download button. Now what pops up? Don't fall for it. They're trying to get you to click on an ad. That is not what you want. Scroll down a little bit. Ignore everything right there. Scroll down to where you see my cute puppy's face. And this is what we want right here. That blue download video. The website wants you to download their app, but they charge to use it. So click that blue download button. There's that magic blue download pop-up. Click it, it downloads just like it did on TikTok. This right here will open our downloads folder. And let's find that video right here. Click on it. There it is. And now we're going to add it to our Photos app by clicking that Save Video, and it automatically adds our video to our Photos application. Where's Ollie? There he is right there. Totally free, totally watermark free. Let's get a video from Facebook. Open it up, find the video that you want to download. We're going to do this one. Click on those share button. Copy the link, and this time we're taking it to a website called snapsave.app. Again, beware of the fake download buttons. Put your link there, click the official download button, and scroll down. This website gives you two versions. You want the 720 HD video. Click that download button. There's your magic blue pop-up. And just like the other apps, you're waiting for it to download. Click on that. It pops that up so you can see your downloads folder, and whoop, there I am. All watermark free, and I didn't pay anyone anything. What other frustrations can I help you solve as a content creator? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to share this video. It's the best way to support my channel.